In this video, I got my whole family with me, doing some lakeside camping, kayaking, fishing, and just hanging out. It was a great weekend. Rachel, where are we headed?
Camping.
It's first time with both kids. We are on the way, got one kayak and a truck full of items that I've never brought camping. A little bit different ball game. I think you saw some cows.
Whoa, that's cool.
Anyway, a lot of stuff for the kids. So, doing an overnighter, seeing how it goes. Mallory seems happy.
She's talking.
How do you think it's going to go, Rachel?
I think it'll be interesting.
A lot of entertaining children outside.
Not our first time camping with a 1-year-old though.
Yeah,
so.
we did. What, one trip with Hayden?
Mm-hmm.
So a whole different ball game with two. Prepping for future adventures.
You got them already. You did a good job cleaning them. Is it your chair, Tissy? That's so fun! What do you think?
That's messy. Some more of the chocolate. What are you doing?
I'm setting up a fishing rod.
Sweet kitty.
Is that pokey?
You're a fishy over there.
I want the pink one. Pink one, yeah, pink one, pink one.
Just watch it for now. You can see if it starts. You see the little orange thing out there? If it starts moving, we're gonna start reeling in, okay? All right. Oh, Hayden, there's one. There's one, Hayden. We got a fishy. See the fishy?
A fishy.
Yeah. We got a little fishy. You wanna help me catch the next one?
We need a fishy, Mom.
You gonna hold it?
Yeah, I'm gonna hold it.
You got him, both hands. You okay, both hands. Grab your other hand. There you go. You got it.
Whoa! It's okay. It's okay, baby.
It's okay.
That's just what they do sometimes. It's okay.
You're okay.
Do you need a hug from Daddy? Yeah.
Come here. Come here. Give me a hug. You're just a fishy.
It's okay, baby. They just do that sometimes. It's okay.
Oh, got another one, Hayden. Got another little fishy.
Another one.
Yep.
You got a big one?
Nope. See it?
Okay.
Say bye, fishy.
Bye, fishy.
He gone.
Bye, Tizzy. Bye. Ah! Yeah, I had him, but... Okay. There. Got one. Little sucker. I got one. Got one. I did. Nah, you little guy. Okay, bye.
I gotta go get some sticks.
Yeah, good helping, Hayden.
I will get some sticks. I'll get some sticks.
Here you go. Bring them to me.
Oh, can I do it?
You gonna do it?
Yeah.
Good job. I'm gonna put this one right here, okay?
Can I do it?
Do what?
Can I do this?
No.
Yep. You see that one?
Can I do
Yeah.
it?
You got it? So, can I help you? Got it? Right here. All right, let's let it burn, okay?
On.
Hey.
On. You can dump it out here. Let me show you.
Wait for a minute. In a minute, you can have one. Hold on. Hold on, baby.
Is it hot?
Think about that.
Is it hot? Is it hot, Mom? Is it hot?
Mm-hmm, needs to cool off.
Okay.
Where's-
Hey.
Where's Molly?
Ow.
Where's it? There she is.
All right.
This is nice.
You like that chair?
Y'all are gonna have a lot of dirt in your bath when we get back home. Well, this is kind of all the thing. This is your marshmallows, pasta.
Oh, marshmallows and chocolate. Ooh. I'm tired.
Hey, you gotta wait a second. Don't eat it yet. Here you go.
Look, Mama.
Hey, Daddy is getting those to perfection.
No.
It's chocolate.
No.
You don't like the s'more?
No.
You want to try?
Your
My
turn.
turn?
Yeah.
Alright, let it see me. Turn it. Hi. Hi. Your turn.
Hi. I said hi to it.
You said hi to it.
Yeah.